Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel NewIballdesigningdeveloper Designing Developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one Hangman game project in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like Hangman previous project of Python. So just now, first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that you have to also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So it will be also help for you and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be learning more new things, more new projects and more new clones which I will be uploading forward on. And just you have to do and practice these all things now. So now I will be just working with my Hangman clone. So now means Hangman project. So first of all, for working with my Hangman project, I have to just make my file of Hangman. So here I'll be going to my Python projects folder, pressing right click here and then go to new. So we are making one Python file, so I'll be pressing Python file here. Then here, like I'm telling you, you have to just write your Python file name and you have to press enter, or if you don't write .py also, which is a command to just make your Python file, so it's not problem, because here we are making already Python file. If you write its name like I've shown you how to do that, so here I'll be writing Hangman game. So here I have just already created a file of Hangman, because here I'm just working with that. So if I just do it again, so it will be problem. So here I'll be doing like that, and if I do that and press enter, so you can see it is just, I have not written any of the .py and it is now automatically created into like game.py. You can see that. And now here I will be doing one thing, like I'll be changing into Hangman, because here now we are making Hangman in game here. Now I will be just pressing, means I'll be going some of the bands, zoom in here again. So here when you've just done that, I will be coming here and writing import random. So here if I just show you the demo one, so you can see it is looking like that. So here I will be just coming and here I will be writing like things. So just I will be coming here and I'll be writing name equal input, and here I'll be writing another thing which should be like what is your name. So I'll be writing like that. Okay, so the spelling is incorrect, so I'll be writing what is your name like that. So just you have to erase this foreign, because here we don't need that. Come underneath here by pressing 2 enter, then I'll be writing an input tag here, and here I'll be changing this to like that. And here when you've just done with that things here, so I'll be going to my hangman.py file, and you can see it is just looking like that. So here I will be closing that and writing good luck, and here I'll be just changing this to like comma name, because here we have to define name also. So because of that I'm writing, or you can just erase this here, then you can write good luck comma name. So here I'm writing this, or you can press backspace to just write that. So here when you've just done with that things here, close here and close here. So it is good now. So when you've just done that all, just I will be doing one thing, like I'll be coming comma name, then you have to do like come underneath here also create input, then I will be writing another thing which should be name, and I'll be writing that to like good luck. Okay, so here when you've just done with that thing there, so just you have to practice these things. And now here when you've just done that, I'll be going to my file of like Hangman. Okay, so here you can see that it is coming like that. So here I will be just going here also. Then when you've just done that, I will be doing one thing, like I will be coming and creating words which will be coming in my Python Hangman game. So here you can just create the words by writing this word tag, or you can write equal to like that. Now here I'll be writing like laptop, then I'll be writing like computer, then here you can also create many others like mouse, keyboard, like that I'll be creating. Now here when you've just done with that things, I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be coming here and I will be just writing like input, and here I'll be writing like gas. Okay, so I'll be writing gas the letter. So here I'll be writing that. Now when you've just done that, I'll be coming forward and I'll be creating a tag which should be like, first of all here I will be just coming underneath here, create input tag here also, and I will be writing like what is what. So here I'll be writing what is your word, and here when you've just done that, come underneath, and here I will be writing that to like input, and I'll be changing this to like word, and here close that. Then here when you've just done that, I'll be writing like laptop, computer, and I'll be writing mouse and keyboard. So here if I do that all things, now when you've just done that, come underneath here, and here I'll be changing this to like name, and here I'll be pressing backspace now. So here when you've just done that, I will be coming here now. So here when you've just done that all, I will be coming underneath also and changing this to name equal this, then I will be here writing like that. And when you've just done that all things, I will be writing here in letter, and I'll be writing like letter equals to answer, which will be writing here. Then here I'll be closing this letter also, and here I'll be coming underneath and creating a tag which should be having a word. Now it is not a words because words we have already written, and in this word I will be not defining the word of Hangman game. I will be just defining the answer. So I'll be writing answer equal letter. Then when you've just done that, I will be coming here also creating input tag again. Then here I will be writing like the answer was, means if the answer will be coming incorrect, so I'll be writing that. Then I will be coming underneath also create input again. Okay, so here now I'll be creating answer equal input, and here I will be now writing a tag which should be like good answer, it is correct. So I'll be writing that. Now here when you're just done with that things, here you have to just come underneath again, and you don't have to close these tags because there is not any of the close tag here in Python. So just write these things like that. Now here when you've just done that, I will be coming here also again. There I will be changing this to like input here, so I'll be writing input again. Then you have to write equal to, and here I will be just writing like, again you have to erase. Now I'll be writing question equal input, and here I will be writing like answer is incorrect. The correct answer was like, I'll be writing the correct, so I'll be writing incorrect spelling, so I'll be writing the correct answer is, then write colon like that. Now here I'll be pressing enter. Now I will be coming underneath here also, and here you can see that. Now when you've just done with that things, come here and write a tag which should be having words equal create question, and here I'll be writing that to like that. Now when you've just done that, I'll be writing like what is word. Okay, so I'll be writing that. Now here we have just done with that thing. Now if I just show you, it should be just ready in our terminal or command prompts where just you are running. So you can also run this command like in command prompt or in your terminal also. So here you can see that run tab is just running. So here I've changed it to Hangman. Save that here by pressing save all button. You have to just press this run button, from which it will be just running in your localhost. So just run that by pressing run button, and you can see that now it is asking like what is your name, so you can write your name here. Now it is just asking like good luck Inshal, because here now we have defined good luck name. You have to write means it will be coming good luck, then it will be defining the name which you have written at the top. Now here it is asking like guess the letter, so here it is also coming the letter which you have to guess, like desktop is a letter. So if I write B, press enter, you can see E, S, K, T, O and P. So you can see that now you win, the word is desktop, and you can see that like that it coming. So if I just run that again here, and if I now write incorrect, so like if I write my name, then if I write incorrect, like it is computer now. So if I write B here, then if I write B, and if I write B, so it will be coming 3 guesses only. You have 3 chances to just guess that. If you just guess wrong in 3 chances, so your chance will be just gone and game should be just over here. You can see now there is written like wrong, you have 0 more guesses. Sorry Inshal, you lost, the secret word was computer, and in the last it will be also telling you the secret word which is coming. You can see that like I've written answer is incorrect, the correct answer is, means the correct answer was computer. So because of that, with the 2 gaps it is showing the computer, which is the correct answer which we have to guess. We have just correct or wrong, and this is a wrong spelling of wrong. You can see I have written, but we have to just write wrong spelling because here Python just understand the wrong spelling of wrong. If you just write it correctly, so Python can't understand that. So here if I write programmer, and you can see now it is just asking like good luck programmer here. So if I just come here, write COPUT, and I'll be writing like M, then I'll be writing ER. So you can see now there is something like you when the word is computer. So now it is good. So like that you can just build your own dice, means not dice rolling. You can just like that you can build your own Hangman game project in Python. So just you have to practice these all project we are working with our Python like previous one. I hope you also enjoyed that one, like dice rolling, then tags based adventure game. So just you have to practice that all projects also, and I hope you will be a good programmer of Python, and I will be also uploading a tutorial of Python in future, and I hope you will enjoy that, and from that you will be learning more new things related to Python. And just you have to practice these all things, and I will be just meet you in next project.